Hi, I'm Iona. I'm working on the peatland projects here at the ELan Valley. So the main work that's going on now is blocking gullies. So we've got lots of gullies eroding away the peat, which is washing down into the watercourses. So they're blocking the gullies roughly every 10 metres to keep the peat and water on site. They're reprofiling any hags. We've got big cliffs with bare peat, which erodes away with the wind and the rain, and that they're re-sculpting that to cover that up, revegetate it. They're doing lots of contour bunding, which is putting peat bunds along the contour of the earth, along the hill, and it keeps all the water back, so it's holding it back, creating sort of bog pools and habitat for invertebrates. So the project is really important for thinking about carbon capture. So peatland captures a lot of carbon in the peat itself, and if it washes away and erodes, we're losing all of that carbon back into the atmosphere. So we're trying to stop the erosion and loss of that carbon, and also to get the habitat right and the conditions right to capture more carbon with the right kind of mosses and plants and the right water logging for future carbon capture. So the project is funded by the National Peatland Action Programme within NRW. So they've worked with me to design the plan for the project, to survey the area, and we're working under the Elan Links project, which is Heritage Lottery funded. So across the ELan Valley there are a lot of degraded peatland areas. It's a huge expanse of blanket bog, and the ELan Valley Trust hope to restore large areas of this on the ongoing project, basically every year, a bit more as the funding comes in and as the capacity's there. Also, the resilience to climate change will be increased by re-wetting, so we're less chance of drying out when we've got these long hot summers, and the chance of wildfire would be reduced as well, which would be a catastrophic thing in terms of carbon release and biodiversity. Secondly, the habitat's really unique and it's being lost with the dominance of this grass that you can see on site, Millennia, or purple moorgrass. We hope that re-wetting the site will make it less favourable to this species and more favourable to the appropriate species, such as sphagnum mosses. These conditions will hopefully allow us to see a rise in invertebrates and bird species as well.